like her, you want to marry her, and then you start weighing her, you start approaching her, you are trying to, convince her to finally agree to marry you. That can last long if she's saying no, and let's assume that you have the patience to continue going. If this stage lasts for 2 years, it's because within this period she has been saying no, and then finally it took you 2 years to finally get her to say yes. But if the woman that you are chasing says yes in 2 weeks, this stage must end and move to the serious part. In our system, I still encourage young people to kind of date here, but I tell them not more than a month, maximum 1 year. And I warn the ladies especially, he's not whatever. And remember that there is no covenant here. There is nothing that stops you from going with another person that is serious. The guy is not serious. There is no covenant here. Just playing around and fooling around, and somebody that is serious comes around, you better do something with your life. As a pastor who has worked with young people, US, everywhere, I've seen a lot of things. When you get into the issue of young people, when I find out a situation where sexual activity is already going on and all kinds of things, and the two people are believers, it should not happen in the body of Christ. But this is the kind of disaster that we are facing in these last days. What I tell the pastor, or if it is within my domain, is facilitate marriage. Move them fast to this stage. Get them to go and see the parents. Once you find out that these people are believers, break all the other barrier and get the man to go and take responsibility, and now move to this stage and now to that stage. Let them not start waiting. You might not do a white wedding for them, they might not have to wear white, but move the process. Don't leave them and leave the mess. We are called into a redemptive ministry, redemptive program. That's how the mess can stop. And there are situations where they can't even move. The religion is a mess. Let that whole thing end there and end, so that both people can begin their life, and separate them. Not just separation in mouth,